Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like months. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, I can stop doing what I want.
So after you park, you have to cross the road and walk back to the lobby. So we're walking to get checked in. There's a little kiddie area, basketball court, playground. Registration is so pretty. Welcome. So this is a room tour at the Azul Beach Resort. So let me change the orientation. Okay, so welcome to the room. This is our room tour. As you enter, you see a couch here, and it also has a pull-out. That's what the bell guy told me. It's me. It is I. And guess what? 1, 2, 3 of me. Shh, shh. Go, 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 go. Okay, you continue out. You see the bed. See a TV, dresser. See a little chair, coffee chair, bar. Then it goes out onto a balcony. I'll show you guys the balcony after. Like, oh my god, this is such a spacious and nice spacious room. The decor is fabulous. And here's another mirror. I got my welcome drink. A little blue curacao in my life. Then you have, so they gave us this map, so I put it there. Then I'm gonna rest down. Have a mini bar underneath, fully stocked with drinks and beer, you know. Red Stripe, drink of Jamaica, Coke, Sprite, water. Is there anything on the other side? The other side you have like coffee and tea and cups and mugs. We're in the bathroom. So I already put my luggage in, so don't mind that. But it comes with an umbrella here. Stuff to put your bag, an ironing board, a safe, and some drawers. Some empty drawers that you can like put things in. Again, it is I, it is me, it is she, I am her. There is very spacious. There's another closet on this side. See what's in there. Oh, so it's more like shelves with drawers on this side, and then like robes and closets, and they give you bed slippers. Oh my god, it's so nice with the robe and bed slippers. Fabulous, fabulous. Then they have the toilet, which is separate. Then you have the sink, give you towels and everything. And again, hi, it's me. And then the shower is separate. It's a rain shower. So yeah. The balcony. We get some seats, some chairs, and there's like a pool down below. If you're on the first floor, it's a swim up pool, so people on the first floor can swim up, or on the second floor, so it's just a regular pool. You can see out there, so it's a pool view room. We got sun is setting. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know. And this is just a little. So this is my night one outfit. So this is me on night one. So we have earrings. We have a purple ombre hair, jewelry. Didn't go with a necklace. Did a slip dress, you know, and then just a wedge. Like, I have a lot of shoes out, but yeah, just a wedge. So yeah, going to head to dinner, going to the buffet, and yeah.
I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me.
Wearing two outfits.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's how someone do.
City. Rice Falls is up in the sky, you know. Helicon, Trench Town, Port Royal, Spanish Town. Look at the beach. So, it's a beautiful morning in Negril. White sand beaches, catamaran. And we're heading up. Morning all. So I just came from breakfast. So gonna go change for the beach. That's cool. So
It's a beautiful day at Azul Resort. This is the outfit of the day. It's a two-piece set, but I brought it tight as a short.
What you say? Smile Jamaica tea. Alright guys, so I'm just going back to the interchange into my swimsuit.
As a rebel comes out, then you call on me. When you call me, I come, but then you go again. With your dab, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now that you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on, then fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you. For you. I will wait
Another shot. Bye bye in the video.
Too much pressure and I'm nervous. It's like that text that makes you never read my song, but it does fly away.
Call me in my head like yeah.
Moving my hips like
They not like us. They not like us. This is my brother like to leave outside now.
everybody singing.
Oh, real have no behavior. Total disorder. Don't cross the border. Don't cross the border. Bartender, hurry up with the order. Go to the back, go to the details, take it to the back. The details and take it to the back. So, in the water, dumped in the knees and shake it to the max. No. 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 Okay. So this is what I'm wearing tonight. After many wardrobe malfunctions later. final day's breakfast.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Chateau Mama, cause the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.